I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking like this. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kendra if this is your first time here. And in this video, as you see from the title, we're going to be doing this hairstyle. So your girl done found us a way to do a cute, quick little hairstyle without spending all of our coins. You know how the recession is right now, girl. We need something quick, easy, and simple because these hairstylists out here, girl, we all know how that goes. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to get this hair.
Side wind, straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. You better learn how to face this. She's gone, gone girl. She's gone girl. Never replaces. She's gone, gone girl. Gone girl. You better learn how to face this. She's gone, gone girl. She's gone girl. Can't think it's true at the process. Get around you and I regress. I decide what demons I digest. I'm just tired of repeating my digress. Trying to find deeper meaning in nonsense. Trying to grow without hating the process. Tired of anticipating the worst yet. Still anticipating the worst. I need more space in security. I need less voices to feel me. I need your touch, not to feel me. You're squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me. Boy, you lose you.
Cups that are all sick. Bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. Don't just say you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And you'll start hating only if you make it. Cups that are XO. All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And I'll start hating only if you make me.
What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love.
Let's go have some fun.
make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. Yeah, she making that ass shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever pressed decline. Took a money, make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policies, can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
All right, everybody, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See y'all next time.
I wrote you a symphony.